Imagine carrying your entire home anywhere with just a small camper trailer. At first glance, the ARPOD RP171 looks different. Not in a flashy way, but in a smart way. That curved, rounded shape immediately stands out, and it's not just about design, it actually improves aerodynamics, making it easier to tow and more efficient on long drives. This is a trailer built for real-world use. You don't need a heavy-duty truck to pull it. In fact, many small SUVs and crossovers can tow it without a problem, and that changes everything. Because now, camper life becomes accessible to more people. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, while the modern finish gives it a clean, premium feel. It's small, but it feels well-built and purposeful. You'll find practical features all around, including a simple entry door for easy access, storage compartments for your gear, and a design that works in both campsites and remote areas. Step inside, and you'll notice something right away. It feels bigger than you expected. And that's because of smart design. The layout is simple, clean, and very effective. Large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and welcoming. The seating area is cozy and functional. You can sit here, eat here, relax here, and it never feels uncomfortable. Everything has been placed with intention. Nothing feels wasted, and that's exactly what makes a small space feel right. Now let's talk about the kitchen. For a compact trailer like this, it delivers exactly what you need. You get a small cooking area with a stove for basic meals, a sink for washing and cleaning, and enough counter space to actually prepare food without frustration. There's also storage for your essentials and a fridge to keep your groceries fresh. It's simple, but it works. And when you're traveling, that's what matters most. You don't need a big kitchen. You just need a smart one. Bed sleeping area. Now let's move to the sleeping space. After a long day of driving or exploring, this is where comfort really matters. The ARPOD RP171 offers a cozy and practical bed setup. It's designed to give you a good night's rest without taking up unnecessary space. The area feels comfortable, calm, and easy to settle into. And thanks to the layout, it blends naturally with the rest of the interior. It doesn't feel cramped, it feels efficient. Perfect for couples or solo travelers who want something simple and relaxing. Shower bathroom features. Now here's something important. Even in a trailer this size, you still get a bathroom, and that makes a huge difference. Inside, you'll find a toilet, a sink, and a compact shower. It's not large, but it's practical. And more importantly, it gives you independence. You don't have to rely on public facilities. You have your own private setup wherever you go, and that's something you'll appreciate more than you think. Balance scale comparison / why it stands out. So what really makes the ARPOD RP171 stand out? It's all about balance. Big RVs give you space, but they're harder to tow, harder to park, and often more expensive. Small campers are easy to handle, but they sometimes lack comfort. This trailer finds the perfect middle ground. It gives you easy towing, simple living, and enough comfort to enjoy your trips. Compared to larger trailers, it's more flexible. Compared to smaller ones, it feels more complete. It's not trying to do everything, it's just doing the right things really well. So, the Forest River ARPOD RP171 proves something very important. You don't need a massive RV to enjoy life on the road. With its compact design, smart layout, and practical features, it delivers a complete travel experience in a small and manageable package. It's easy to tow, easy to live in, and built for real adventures. And honestly, for many people, this might be the perfect starting point for camper life. I want to ask you something. If you had this trailer right now, where would you go first? Would it be the mountains, the beach, or somewhere completely off-grid? And would you choose something small like this, or go for a bigger RV? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more camper and motorhome reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you travel with the ARPOD RP171? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.